Good morning, students. This is the last part of the animal tissue. In previous two classes, we have already discussed about the epithelial tissue and connective tissue. And in this class, we will learn about the muscular and nervous tissue. After completing these slides, you will be able to understand types of muscular tissue, functions of muscular tissue, and functions of nervous tissue. So here you can see the muscular tissue which is found in our muscles part of the body, and here it is the nervous tissue which is found in nerves or brain. Now muscle tissue, it is long cylindrical cell, lots of blood vessels are present, cell can contract and relax also. It is made up of actin and myosin form microfilaments in the cytoplasm. Now the first type of muscle tissue is skeletal muscle, or you can say it the striated muscles. Okay, each cell has many nuclei. As you can see over here, one cell has many nuclei. Striated means there you will see a light and dark bands caused by the arrangement of contractile proteins. You will see these light and dark bands. These are under voluntary control. It means it will be on your will. It means, for example, voluntary muscles, for example, if you will see the your movement of your hands or movement of your legs, these all are comes under the voluntary control, the movement which will be in your control, called voluntary control. Then after second part is smooth muscle. It is found in organs, one nucleus per cell. Okay, here in this slide you will see the one nucleus per cell, no striations, involuntary control. For example, in involuntary control, where you will see it in alimentary canal or contraction or relaxation of blood vessels, over there you will see the smooth muscles. Okay, then after the last type is the cardiac muscle. It is found only in heart, which is striated, shorter cells than skeletal muscle, one nucleus per cell, and it is also involuntary. It means its movement or its contraction and relaxation will be not under your control. Okay, so these were all about the muscle tissue. And now the neurons found in brain, spinal cord and nerves generate and conduct electrical impulses, stimulate muscle contraction, sense environment, responsible for emotions, memory and reasoning, and so many other emotions will be controlled by the neurons. Action and relaxation, these are controls by your neurons. Okay, here we will see the structure of neuron. This is the largest structure of tissue which is found in animal. Okay, these are the part. Here you will see this, the head part is called the hair, soma and dendrites. These are all are the you can see the root like structure over here. These are called dendrites, which basically transmit the signal. Okay, then after the tail part you will see this is called the axon, and here is the myelin sheath, and last one is the terminal button. So students, these were all about the muscular and neuron tissue. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.